And reinforcing that shit is my 9 to 5. And when I'm finished making you recognize, I'm getting at a couple civilized women that's trying to ride. You been waiting on the Malcolm X on the floor while I'm eating MCs like a carnivore. Matter of fact, he's back before you get home. Bring a woman home when I'm going to perform the first nigga that move on the stage. I'ma have y'all flex on the evening news. Play y'all part, get on y'all place. But when y'all think for people can't bring money to spend and somebody to live. It's a worthwhile money, not 12 and 10. Get it so you tuck right in front of your head. Who could have helped you? Not none of your friends. For the black fist under your chin. How your physical remains found under the bed. If I'm coming up in a place, I'm coming back. Running in it for a minute, now I'm coming again. 3 G's out, y'all can chat with y'all. Please to see, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Please, you really wanna get clapped with all these, my man. You can take y'all strap with me. See squad coming to place, they all free. Ice cold, with his mellow war breeze. MC's never shoot loyalty yet. No work, ain't never get a party set. I do work, no question, and born to set. I'm called collect, sharp like my name Gillette. R.I.P. my main Gillette. Until I touch the mic, I haven't seen danger yet. I'm a decorated vet, I regularly correct, never hesitate to get. I'm getting heavy with the checks. If you would get asked if I'm dedicated, yes, I spit 9 rounds that I'm gonna take tracks. Nigga, take your seats, I'ma demonstrate a test. How to free the beast, so gangsta, fresh in the dope. From the East Coast to bang, that's big bang, we gang smoke the thing to death for whole time. Cause it's not over yet. I don't even feel like I'm not sober yet. It ring like shots in the projects. 2 years even, it ain't even October yet. I'm a big bounty hunter like Boba Fett. Y'all more self-shot than a soldier yet. If the prize in my sights, then I'm going for this. Woo woo, BGs be the ultimate. I'm the cold grip, give me the bolt of this. Reset it with a magnetic ultra tip. Get down how you supposed to get. I got nothing to lose. I'm a killer with no regrets. I'm like LL, cause I'm hard as hell. Making niggas move fast like hard to melt. Now I'm all out on my own like Battle Bell. From the big game down, even out the cell. Hold your flicks, I'm out for the photo. Ops is black, gold named after Kodo. Op my twist like a ratchet in the auto shop. Since granddaddy, old the solo stop, and you got the caddy. I've been gladly